Here's what you'll need to make my fish stock. Sprig of thyme, a couple of cloves of garlic. If you don't like garlic you can leave them out. An onion, stick of celery, carrot, a couple of cloves, a couple of bay leaves, some freshly cracked black pepper, and then anything fishy you can find, bones, heads, anything. I've got a crab claw and shell, some prawn shells, and some fish skin. First thing we're going to do, melt a little knob of butter into a pan. Make it a pan that you've got a lid for if you can. And then you're going to wash and chop your carrot, onion and celery. I'm going to gently fry them off for 5 minutes just to soften them down and release the flavours. With your veg softening down, it's time to get your crab shell if you're using one. And you're just going to want to bash that into little bits to release its flavours when it's cooked. That'll do. Same for your garlic if you're using them. Just get your knife on there and give it a bash. Just to open it up so it's going to release its flavours. When your veg have had a few minutes, time to go in with your thyme. Whatever fishy parts you're using. And your garlic. Then into there, good sprinkling of your cracked black pepper, either a couple of whole cloves or a little dash of clove powder. Give them a mix and pop the lid on and give them a couple of minutes to heat through. When your veg have warmed through, then you're going to top it up with boiling water, put in a couple of bay leaves and leave that to simmer for 30 or 40 minutes. Good thing about fish stock, it doesn't need to simmer as long as meat. So 30 or 40 minutes will extract all them flavours, so let it simmer away. When it's been simmering away for 30 or 40 minutes, let it cool down a little bit, then you're going to use a fine mesh sieve or a muslin cloth if you've got one. Pour it into another pan. This stock is excellent for anything fishy you're going to do, any meals, chowders, soups, anything. And there you've got some delicious stock to cook with.